In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a board on Pinterest. If you're looking to declutter your Pinterest profile and want to remove a board that you no longer need, this guide is for you. Let's walk through the process step by step to make sure it's as straightforward as possible. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Pinterest. If you haven't already, simply open up your preferred web browser and type in Pinterest's URL. Once you're there, if you're not logged in yet, make sure to sign in using your credentials. Now that you're on the Pinterest homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find your profile picture. Click on it to navigate to your personal profile space. This is where you can manage all of the boards you've created as well as any pins you've saved. After you're in your profile, you'll see a tab labeled Boards. Go ahead and click on this tab. It will display all the boards associated with your account, showcasing your curated collections of pins. Once you're on the Boards page, you'll want to locate the specific board that you intend to delete. Remember, this should be a board that you're absolutely certain you no longer need, as deletion is a permanent action. Find the board you're aiming to remove and then take your mouse and hover over the board thumbnail. You'll notice an option that says Edit. Click on this to proceed. In the editing menu, you'll see several options regarding your board. What you're looking for is the Delete option. Sometimes it might take a moment to locate due to Pinterest's interface, but rest assured, it's there. Directly within the edit options, you should see Delete Board. Select this option and be sure to read any prompts or confirmations that pop up. Pinterest will ask you to confirm your decision. It's a good thing they do. This way, you have one last opportunity to change your mind before the board is lost for good. Once you've clicked confirm, the board will be permanently deleted from your profile. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully deleted a board on Pinterest, making way for new inspirations, or perhaps simply cleaning up your digital space. It's always a smart move to regularly review and assess the items in your digital collection, just like we do with physical clutter. This ensures that what remains is meaningful and current. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it made the process painless and efficient. Thanks for following along, and do check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.